Thank you for choosing to use the Truck Center Service Booking App, which I'll show you how to use. This is what our app looks like when you download it from the Apple or Google Store. Once you've downloaded the app, the first area to select is the reason for your booking. Is it a service, repair, or breakdown? Then tap under the branch to select the site you want to bring your vehicle to. Now enter your first and last name, your contact mobile number, and your email address if you have one. Under the preferred contact method, select if you prefer us contacting you by phone or email, then select Next. On this screen, enter your registration, chassis, or fleet number. And under the service details, tap in the area to select your preferred date and time to drop off your vehicle. In the Notes section, you can add any details that you want us to know about, then select Next. On this screen, you'll be able to take supporting photos relating to your booking just by selecting the Take Photo button. If you don't have any photos to add, just select Next. Now tap in the small box to agree to the terms and conditions, then sign using your finger on your mobile phone screen, then select Submit, and that's it. Once we receive your request, we'll contact you and confirm the details and book you in. Thank you for using the Truck Center Service Booking app.